Okay.
Okay, this is the reason why it's so important to tell your gardeners when they're working around the garden and moving stuff to be careful, because there are little creatures living in those piles of leaves and rocks and bricks and poles and planks, etc., underneath the bags of compost. Little snakes, geckos, little frogs, different beetles, lots of insects, lots of other little kinds of animals. And today we were moving a pile of poles, and I'm very happy that I told the chap moving them to be very careful when he moves each one, because there could be geckos or little snakes underneath them. And he moved the whole pile of about 15 4-meter wooden poles. And when he got down to the last two, as he lifted the second last pole, he noticed this tiny little herald snake curled up underneath the pole. And so he gently pulled the pole away and covered it with some leaves and came and called me. And I went out, and there was the little snake lying curled up, completely safe under a pile of poles that was no longer. But so here we have this little herald, and we're now going to go and release him at the bottom, or her at the bottom of the garden, where she or he will be very safe from pole movers and pile movers and everything else. So there you have it. All these little creatures live in our gardens and we don't even know it. A little herald snake.